Dare you. Dare you to get dirty, filth under your fingernails. Dare you to get off the path, a little wilder, a little deeper, a little further, a little stretchier. Dare you to get muddy, to risk sliding down the bank on your arse, covered in dirt. Dare you to laugh, dare you to sing. Dare you to get twigs in your hair like you did when you were a kid. Dare you to dream bigger, dream yourself braver, dream yourself freer. Dare you to take off your shoes, dare you to squelch mud between your toes. Dare you to go where nobody goes. Dare you to take off your clothes. Dare you to step off the slidey bank. Dare you to risk the cold. Dare you to step in, a little deeper, a little wider, a little braver, a little bigger. Dare you to dream you are the tree, the forest, the stars and the river. Open you are,